Sadhguru is now offering the Linga Bhairavi panel to the Honorable President. The panel is a depiction of the Devi crafted in copper, adorned with kumkum, designed and specially consecrated at her abode.
Kala न जानति तव जननम् Kala न जानति तव समापनम् दृष्टो मया तव महाकारः योगेश्वर काल काल योगेश्वर काल काल. Welcome to Mahashivratri 2023. It's our great pleasure and privilege to have our beloved President of India here with us. Namaskaram, ma'am. And His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu with us, and also the Honorable Minister of Information Technology and Digital Services of Tamil Nadu State. Namaskaram, sir, please. Ellarukku vanakkam. எங்கே தமிழாளர்? மகாசிவராத்திரி 2023 எல்லாத்துக்கு மிக பெருமையான ஒரு விழாவை கொண்டாடிடலாமா? In the legend of Adiyogi, who stands here 112 feet tall, in recognition of the 112 methods or ways, or in today's language, technologies that he offered for the subjective well-being of the human being. He offered this in three different ways. For his very studious disciples, the seven sages who are today celebrated as the Saptarishis, he expounded the science and technology of it. But Parvati, his wife, witnessing what was happening, that this exposition of yoga or the yogic sciences, exploring the nature of the human subjectivity and also exploring the nature of the creation, she was so intrigued and saw how these seven sages were going through indescribable experiences. Then she came and said, I also want to know this, teach me. So Shiva said, you don't bother about this, you come sit on my lap. She said, that's not what I seek, I want to know. He said, it's all right, come and sit. When she came and sat on his lap, he pulled her in and made her one half of himself. That is why he is Ardhanari, half man, half woman, or the ultimate man, because one half of his is woman, as it is for all of us, because we have all come from a parentage of a man and a woman. The third group of people who always hung around him, the Ganas, they said, what is happening to everybody, why are we missing out, what about us? He said, you don't bother about learning, nor do I have to take you on my lap. You just drink of me. And they went wild with ecstasies. So here we have a small technologically advanced show which will be projected upon the Adiyogi, which is popular here as Divya Darshanam. This 12-minute show will depict these three ways in which yoga or the yogic sciences was conveyed to three different groups of people, or in other words, it is not a common prescription. Teaching methods are always as per the requirement of the person who sits in front of us. Well, that is the tradition we have followed here at Isha Yoga. We don't subscribe to any particular philosophy, ideology or belief system. It is a science of subjective exploration. We will… the chairs.
A 112-foot Adiyogi at Isha Yoga Center. Accompanied by Sadhguru's narration, it is a profound depiction of Adiyogi's unparalleled contribution to humanity and attracts thousands of visitors every day. In 2020, it received the prestigious international award Mondo DR for the use of innovative technology. We now bring to you the Adiyogi Divya Darshanam.
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 seekers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment, offering his disciples access to the deepest innards of creation. In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision the sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed. Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi reveling in ecstatic states, said, I want to have what you have, show me the way. Adiyogi absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman. Seeing the splendor of this magnificent union, Ghanas, his constant companions, asked, what about us? Adiyogi said, just drink of me, which drove them into intoxicated raptures. Seven sages, the Saptarishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization. This spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority. Mahadevaya Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha.
Shiva Sarveshwara